Hello, and welcome to this quick demo on how to create a graph like this using PowerPoint. In this demo, I will use the total COVID-19 case data for my home state of Louisiana and its most populous parishes. So let's get started. To begin, let's create a new slide. Next, let's insert a graph on the slide. Here is where you choose the type and style of graph. I will use what's already selected and press OK. Now the graph appears with the Excel box. It's here where you will type in your new data. Once you're finished typing in your new data, close the Excel box. Lastly, let's customize your graph. You can either use these buttons here, or you could use the features in the Chart Tools ribbon above here. I will use these buttons since they are closer to the graph. The first button is the Chart Elements. Here's where you can change or remove elements on your graph. The middle button is the Chart Style. Here's where you can change the design and color palette of your graph. The last button is the Chart Filters. Here's where you can show or hide information on your graph. For example, let's hide the statewide data and see what happens. Nice! To finish this off, let's type in the chart title. Voila! We're done. Easy peasy. I hope you found this demo helpful. Thanks for watching.